FC Barcelona faces a crucial year in terms of works at the Spotify Camp Nou. In this sense, during the month of January, there was a significant progress of the construction phase. The year 2024 will be a decisive year for FC Barcelona. Beyond the purely sports field, in which the club has not shown a good form and has been eliminated from the Cup, and has significantly moved away from the leader of the ranking in the championship, the end of 2024 will mark a turning point during the works at Spotify Camp Nou. Barcelona's homecoming is set for November 29, 2024, with 2/3 of the stadium's capacity available, as has been stated numerous times. In the unlikely event that unanticipated events do not arise that would impede the progress of the works, supporters will have the opportunity to enjoy Barca's home on a particularly significant day for the club, the 125th anniversary. The construction is being carried out at a very good rate of work. The foundations of the external structure are in the final stage, which will be built with prefabricated parts. Finally, in terms of the stands, the excavation process continues to build the conference room, dressing rooms, and a new giant shop, part of which will be visible from the road. Subscribe now and be a part of our stadium-loving family. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update, and be the first to explore the secrets, stories, and history behind these colossal structures.